Okay, say hi. 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 Okay. Okay, we need to open now the car. Is it a car? Really? Go here, Let's go here, okay? Okay, now, let's open this. Okay. So, ano nakikita natin ngayon? What's this?
Phone.
This is?
Phone.
No, this is not a phone. This is a battery.
Battery.
Yeah, battery with the USB. So I assume this is the software. The product. Okay. And what's this, Siti?
Phone.
This is not a phone. This is a power adapter. Yeah. A warranty card. Okay. And strap for the luggage. Okay. And then now we'll show you the open. Oh. Okay, wow, what's in there? What's inside? So there's a quick start guide. There's a quick start guide. See, look. Quick start guide for us to start. There's the luggage itself. Can you sit here, please? Yes. Yes, okay. And we will show you, huh? There's the luggage itself. And we have here Siti. Tete here. Okay. There's the power for the battery. Okay. So, basically, papasok mo lang dito yan. Ikita natin dito. So, we just need to, So, ito lang basically yung battery ng luggage. Okay? Part na pwede mo ito buksan. Okay. So you can drag it like that. Wow, Siti. Can you see? Later, okay? Okay? Yeah. I'll put it here. Okay, Tete. So ito yung power button. Okay. Okay, that's the sound. Okay.
Played by and car.
See, may volume tayo dito. So here, ito yung next and previous button for the music. When you hold it and press it long enough, so dito, magbababa yung volume niya. Then here, tataas yung volume niya. Okay, then this is the play and pause. So the next mode is, kung pinindot natin to,
UX mode.
so ito na yung mode natin for scooter mode. Okay? So pag pinindot natin to, ayan, pag pinindot natin, aandar siya sa harap, forward, and then forward brake, ito yung brake, and then to enable the reverse, we have to press the brake and the forward. Magiging backward siya. Okay. For Bluetooth.
Bluetooth mode.
Yeah, so yan, pwede ka na kumunik sa phone para magkaroon ka ng volume. Magkaroon ka na mag-play ng MP3 or from your phone na music. So basically yan. Simple lang siya, but it's a nice piece of technology that we can use for our kids. No? O ikaw ulit siya.
Play by TF. UX.
Final conclusion, the luggage is great. So, pag naubos na battery, we just need to charge it, and then if you don't want to use it, then just use it in a normal luggage, like a normal luggage. Bye-bye! That's it for now! Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Oh no. Stand. Okay. Wait. Let daddy allow you. Sit properly. Hold up. Hold properly, ah. Sit. That's it. Do not hold yet, ah. Sige. One lang. Forward.
You like it?
Yeah. Forward now. If you want to go forward, do not press this. Just press the right button. Okay. Okay. See? Ups, big, and then reverse. Ups. Okay. Forward.